Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the access is denied error on ZArchiver. How to fix it. So let's start. First, open your ZArchiver apps and see this is the problem. Okay, let's start. First, open your Google Play Store and now search here ZArchiver app and click on the ZArchiver app and check update your ZArchiver app. My ZArchiver app already updated. Okay, back and second steps, go to your phone settings and now scroll down and click on the apps icon and scroll down and now search here ZArchiver app and scroll down and click on the storage option and now click on the clear check and clear data and delete option. Go back and permission, allow all permission and back and now restart your phone. I hope your problem has been solved and return again your phone and open your phone and ZArchiver app open now and see. I hope your problem has been solved successful.